Feeling sluggish by 3 p.m.? You're not alone. Many people experience a significant drop in energy levels during the mid-afternoon. This common phenomenon can make it difficult to stay productive and focused on your tasks. But don't worry, there are ways to combat this energy slump and keep your day on track. Many of us hit an energy slump during the day. This can be due to various factors such as poor diet, lack of sleep, or even just the natural rhythms of our bodies. It's important to recognize that this is a normal part of the day for many people, but it doesn't have to be a permanent obstacle. But what if you could power through your to-do list feeling energized and focused? Imagine being able to tackle your afternoon tasks with the same vigor and enthusiasm you had in the morning. This isn't just a dream, it's entirely possible with the right approach and mindset. Good news! Certain superfoods can give you the boost you need. These foods are packed with essential nutrients that can help sustain your energy levels throughout the day. Incorporating them into your diet can make a significant difference in how you feel and perform. These nutritional powerhouses provide sustained energy, helping you conquer your day. Superfoods like berries, nuts, seeds, and leafy greens are not only delicious, but also incredibly beneficial for your overall health. They can help stabilize your blood sugar levels, improve your mood, and keep you feeling full and satisfied. Ready to ditch the afternoon slump? Instead of reaching for that extra cup of coffee or an energy drink, try incorporating some of these superfoods into your daily routine. You'll be amazed at how much better you feel and how much more you can accomplish. Let's dive into the world of superfoods and unlock your energy potential. By making small changes to your diet and lifestyle, you can experience a significant boost in your energy levels and overall well-being. So are you ready to take the first step towards a more energized and productive you? Join us as we explore the incredible benefits of superfoods and how they can transform your day. Superfoods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These powerful nutrients are essential for maintaining optimal health and well-being. They help to boost your immune system, improve your skin health, and even enhance your mood. These nutrients work together to support your body's natural energy production. By providing a steady stream of energy, superfoods help you stay focused and alert throughout the day. They also aid in muscle recovery and reduce inflammation, making them perfect for active lifestyles. Forget sugary snacks that lead to energy crashes. Unlike processed foods that give you a quick sugar rush followed by a slump, superfoods offer a more balanced and sustained energy release. This means you can avoid those mid-afternoon slumps and stay productive. Superfoods provide sustained energy, keeping you going strong all day long. Whether you're at work, at the gym, or just going about your daily routine, these nutrient-dense foods ensure you have the stamina to tackle any task. From vibrant berries to leafy greens, incorporating these foods into your diet is easier than you think. You can add berries to your morning cereal, blend leafy greens into a smoothie, or sprinkle nuts over your salad. The possibilities are endless and delicious. Let's explore some top picks and discover how they can supercharge your day. Blueberries, for instance, are rich in antioxidants and can improve brain function. Spinach is packed with iron, which is crucial for energy production. Almonds provide healthy fats and protein, keeping you full and energized. By making these simple additions to your meals, you can experience the incredible benefits of superfoods firsthand. Berries are like tiny energy bombs. They're full of antioxidants, fiber, and natural sugars. Antioxidants fight off free radicals, protecting your cells and boosting energy. Fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing those dreaded energy crashes. And natural sugars provide a quick pick-me-up without the slump. Enjoy them fresh, frozen, or in smoothies for a delicious energy boost. Nuts and seeds are nutritional powerhouses, packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber. These nutrients work together to provide long-lasting energy. Almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds are excellent choices. Sprinkle them on salads, yogurt, or enjoy a handful as a snack. But remember, a little goes a long way. Stick to a small portion to reap the benefits without overdoing the calories. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and romaine lettuce are packed with iron. Iron is crucial for carrying oxygen throughout your body, which is essential for energy production. Feeling tired and sluggish? Well, a lack of iron might be the culprit. Try adding a handful of spinach to your smoothies, salads, or sandwiches for an instant energy boost. Quinoa, brown rice, and oats are excellent sources of complex carbohydrates. Unlike simple carbs that lead to sugar spikes and crashes, complex carbs provide a sustained energy release. They're also packed with fiber, which further helps regulate blood sugar levels. Why not swap out refined grains with these nutritious alternatives for all-day energy? Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining energy levels. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, and difficulty concentrating. Carry a reusable water bottle and sip on water throughout the day. Add slices of lemon, cucumber, or mint for a refreshing twist. Remember, when you're thirsty, you're already slightly dehydrated, so stay ahead of the game and keep sipping. Busy lifestyle? No problem. Incorporate superfoods into quick and easy snacks. Pack a small bag of trail mix with nuts, seeds, and dried fruit. Blend a quick smoothie with spinach, berries, and Greek yogurt. Hard-boiled eggs, apple slices with peanut butter, or veggie sticks with hummus are also great options. Remember, a little planning goes a long way. Everyone is different, so pay attention to how your body responds to different foods. Keep a food journal to track your energy levels throughout the day. Notice any patterns? Do certain foods make you feel more energized or sluggish? By understanding your body's unique responses, you can tailor your diet for optimal energy levels. Incorporating superfoods into your diet is a simple yet powerful way to boost your energy levels and feel your best. These nutrient-dense foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can transform your health and well-being. These nutritional powerhouses provide sustained energy, helping you stay active and focused throughout the day. Imagine starting your morning with a chia seed pudding or a kale smoothie, giving you the fuel you need to tackle your tasks with vigor. By incorporating these superfoods into your meals, you can enhance your mental clarity and physical stamina, helping you conquer your day with vitality and focus. Whether you're preparing for a big meeting or a workout session, superfoods can give you that extra edge. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Start by integrating superfoods into your diet gradually. You don't need to overhaul your entire eating habits overnight. Simple additions like a handful of berries to your breakfast or a sprinkle of chia seeds on your salad can have a significant impact. Start by adding 1 or 2 superfoods to your daily routine and observe the changes in your energy levels and overall well-being. Visit your local market and explore the variety of superfoods available. From exotic fruits to nutrient-rich greens, there's something for everyone. Taste the difference and feel the benefits. Experiment with different recipes and find what works best for you. Superfoods can be delicious and versatile, making it easy to incorporate them into your favorite dishes. Get ready to supercharge your life, one delicious bite at a time. Share your superfood journey with friends and family, and inspire them to make healthier choices too. Enjoy the process and celebrate the positive changes in your life. Embrace the power of superfoods and transform your health one meal at a time. With each nutritious bite, you're not just nourishing your body, but also fueling your mind and spirit. So take the first step today and embark on a journey to a healthier, more vibrant you.